Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the SD card on your Tapo camera in 2026. So first of all, before installing the SD card, you need to make sure that you are using a compatible micro SD card. So the Tapo C200 supports class 10 micro SD card up to 512 GB. So for the best recording performance, you need to use a reliable high endurance card that is designed for security cameras. Afterwards, you need to disconnect the camera from the power. Then you need to gently tilt the camera lens upward, just like so. And the micro SD card slot is hidden underneath the lens assembly. So this is a detail that many first time users miss when try to locate the slot. So you need to simply locate the micro SD card and then you just have to simply insert it into this particular slot with the metal contacts facing the correct direction. You just have to simply push this particular card until you hear or until you feel a small click. The card should lock into the place and remain securely seated inside the slot. So once the card is installed, you just have to reconnect the camera to the power and allow the camera a minute to boot up and recognize the new storage device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.